aftermath of the Dodge truck where it shoved the wheel back. Well, we got a call for a Dodge 2500 that hit a stump on the beach. He said he's just north of the mansion, about 2 blocks, and have his flashers on. He said he ripped his front suspension clear off the vehicle. I got Frankie following me into Kenworth. That's got to be him right there. I just wonder if he's got the stump still in front of him. I didn't even see it. How far back is it? I don't see it. I'll play around and look at it when I get done here. We'll get her loaded up. We'll go ahead and get her loaded up here.
As soon as I hit that log, I stepped on the gas.
And went over it.
Went right over it. We were on 2 wheels.
Well, we'll drag. I don't want to get up here in the soft stuff with my truck.
No. Oh, hell no. Well, actually, it's fairly solid right here.
That truck is heavy. It's got real horrible ground clearance. He's got to run the cable out. We'll just winch it up to it. It probably totaled it.
It's pretty solid right here.
Yeah. It probably totaled the truck.
Yeah.
Boy, she really did it, didn't she? Wow. It whole front housing's bent. Were you by yourself?
No, I got a friend in there.
Oh, he's okay?
Yeah.
Had your seatbelt on?
Oh, of course.
You lucked out. You lucked out. Good thing you had them on. Otherwise, you'd be eating the windshield. Let's see how much cable he's got there. Hey. You ready to suck it up? Suck it up. Hey, why don't you go ahead and grab your puppies? We'll put them in my truck, okay?
Yep.
I'll unlock the back doors for you.
Lock the damn door. Holy
shit. You ready?
Yes. I'm gonna try to sit that right.
Okay.
I doubt if it'll turn.
Frankie, grab your little pulley there. We'll pull it sideways a little bit. Try this one up here, yeah. We gotta stand back. We're in the body line. We gotta get on the other side. Get on the other side over here, okay?
Yeah.
You get it in there, Frank?
Yeah.
Okay, suck her up from this side. There we go.
I have Allstate. I just called them before you guys got here.
Keep her coming. Keep coming. Okay, now back her off there.
Yeah, I don't think I can get that car to turn.
No, it's on. What do you have to do, Frankie?
Yeah.
You ripped something in the oil pan too. That's all oil on the bottom.
Yeah.
Look at that oil pan, the nut's off.
What is it?
The nut for the oil pan looks like it's off.
That's weird. No, it shoved the front end, went clear back to the oil pan, crushed the front of the oil pan. It crushed the oil pan. Yeah. Okay, you got your chain? Okay. Look at your transfer case.
Yep.
The transfer case is clear down.
And I just had this thing redone.
Well, it didn't work. You gotta tell them that you did a lousy job rebuilding
Yeah,
that
no
transfer
kidding.
case.
Out of this whole thing, the only thing
To
I
diesel?
want, right, is that 5.9 Cummins diesel.
You got full coverage on it, I
Yep.
hope. That's a good deal. Okay, stand back.
Full coverage, towing, and
Okay, suck her down, Frank. I'll meet you at the shop. I'll just stay in front of you here.
no, when we drive by, I'll show you where it hit that.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. We'll get that. Okay. Hello, baby. Hello. Goodness. Slide over. Okay. Oh, let me get my bags there.
In the back.
Let me get my bags. Hang on, hang on. Let me get my bags out of there. My gloves, my bags. Okay. Aftermath of the Dodge truck, where it shoved the wheel back. It shoved the axle, wheel, everything back. Axle's back so far that it shoved the drive line back into the transfer case. And it's got the transfer case. It's got the transfer case kicked sideways. You see the transfer case, when the drive line came back, it took the transfer case and shoved it backwards and shoved the drive line backwards. And the front of the housing on the front suspension went into the oil pan and busted the aluminum oil pan, so all the oil leaked out. So, blew the airbags out, and by God, he had his seatbelt on. The passenger had his seatbelt on. Let's see if the driver had his on. And the passenger had his seatbelt on, and oh yeah, it's set that. No, he did not have it on. It's locked in place right there. So the driver did not have his seatbelt on, but the passenger did. He's lucky he didn't hit the windshield when the airbags blew. He did cut his hand a little bit. So anyway, that's what's left of that one.